few students are not able to concentrate on studies nowadays. Like they are
Okay.
getting many distractions, like movies, like that and all. So, what is your suggestions for those students, ma'am?
Yes, yes. I have a suggestion that when we see a movie, when we watch a movie, what happens actually?
Mm, mm.
We meet many people
Every,
there in the movie.
mm,
Yes,
yes,
and
ma'am.
we gather lots of memories from them.
Yes, ma'am. Always.
Human body is receptive of all the memories. We meet people, we hug people, and we accept
Mm,
the memories. When we watch a movie
mm,
and we like the movie, what happens? We accept, we receive all the memories.
mm,
But if we do not release the memories, then what happens? It is gathered in our body, in our mind, and we cannot concentrate on the studies.
yes, ma'am.
So we have to find a way how to release the memories, how to release
Mm,
all the things that is gathered in our mind. Otherwise, we won't be able to concentrate on the studies also.
mm.
Sometimes it happens that after watching movie, we cannot sleep also.
Yes, ma'am. Many times, ma'am.
Is it so?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Really.
Sometimes the movie is, so effective to our
Think.
mind and
Yes,
we
ma'am.
relate the movie. So then we cannot sleep also.
Yes, ma'am. Be so
All the time
emotional
we are
too.
only thinking of the movies.
Mm,
So we have to find a way how to release the memories. We have to find the way.
mm,
Same thing happens when we are broken up with our boyfriend. All the memories are gathered in our mind.
mm, mm.
Yes, we have to
Yes,
find
ma'am.
a way how to release the memories. So, there are many ways how to release memories. We can write down, we can write a song, we can write a poetry,
Mm,
we can sing,
okay.
we can compose a music, we can play the guitar, we can play the keyboard also.
Mm.
So somehow we have to release the tension.
Superb, ma'am. It'll be so useful for me also, I think, ma'am.
Thank
Okay,
you
ma'am.
so much.
Shall we
Thank
go
you
to
so
next
much.
question, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Does music therapy applies for everyone in the same method, or it changes from person to person, ma'am? It'll be same for everyone, or it'll be differ.
No, not necessarily. Not necessarily.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes a person is only inclined to the Indian classical music. Sometimes the person is only inclined to the Western classical music. Sometimes the person is only inclined to the drums, to the
Mm,
percussions. Sometimes the patient um, doesn't want to listen to anything. Then we give him or her some kind of Bollywood music,
mm,
some kind of old Bollywood songs that the person is, trying to remember the time of his college days. He wants to reminisce,
mm,
and sometimes the person doesn't want to listen to the Bollywood music. Also, he only wants to listen to the South Indian music.
mm. Mm.
Yeah.
Yes,
Then what
yes, ma'am.
happens? We have to sit with the person. We have to
Mm,
discuss with them what kind of music he likes, what kind of things he is inclined to. Then we apply that kind of music to him or
mm.
her.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Superb, ma'am. And the
Yeah.
last
So
question is,
music
you
therapy
are.
is
Mm. Yeah, ma'am.
yeah.
Go ahead.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, go ahead, ma'am. You go ahead.
No, nothing is that. The music
Mm,
therapy differs from person to person. We have to see whether the person is likely to accept the music therapy. He has to accept it. He has the belief
mm,
on the music therapy. Then only he will take it.
this-
He will respond to it.
mm. Yes, ma'am. Super, ma'am. And the last question is, you are a great professional singer, ma'am. Can you sing your favorite song for us?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am.
Will it be okay if I sing a Hindi song?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Sure, go ahead, ma'am.
Yeah, thanks. Mm, so I just want to sing a motivational song for all of you today.
Okay, ma'am. Please, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am.
Mm, the song is from the movie Sanju,
Okay, okay, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am.
starred by Ranbir Kapoor
Oh, super, ma'am.
and sung
We
by
are
Shreya
waiting.
Ghoshal and Sukhvinder Singh.
Yeah, ma'am. She's a great singer, ma'am.
Hmm, पिघला दे जंजीरें बना उनकी शमशीरें. Someone told that Kar Har Maidan Fateh. Yes, this is the song. कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया कर हर मैदान फतेह. घायल परिंदा है तू दिखला दे जिंदा है तू बाकी है तुझ में हौसला तेरी जुनू के आगे अंबर बना है बागे कर डाले तू जो फैसला रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह. इन गर्दिशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के वक्त का गिरे बा पकड़ के पूछना है जीत का पता. इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के आसमां की हद से गुजर के हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा कहने को जर्रा है तू लोहे का छर्रा है तू टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह. Thank you.
Awesome, ma'am. Awesome, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. There are literally many fans for you, I think, ma'am. Superb, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Chitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Parinita
And if
Madhyan,
someone have any
awesome.
questions-
Yeah, many comments are coming.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Like, if you have some questions to ma'am, please ask it. Let's see, ma'am.
Yes. Sure. I'm Andan. Great, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Anyone,
Yeah.
if there is any question, you can ask. Great, ma'am. Thank
There are
you.
actually many
Thank you.
fans,
Ram
ma'am.
Babu Bhandari. Thank you. Ananya. Thank you. Kirta Thana. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Parinita. Siddhu Gupta. Lovely. Thank you. Siddharth. Thank you so much. Everyone is studying in that VIT only.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Can music melt the stones? I have not tried yet. We'll try and let you know.
Your voice, ma'am.
Amazing voice.
Your
Thank you so
voice.
much.
That your voice is so melting, ma'am. I have an answer for it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I hope that this is a kind of music therapy for all of you.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. It's a great music therapy for all of us, I think, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Real Raghavya, Indian Idol. Thank you. Shakti Sindhu, superb ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much, Shakti. Everyone is commenting.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so
We're
much. It
great
is a
fan
great
followers for
pleasure
your
to.
voice. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Thank you so
everyone.
much,
You
ma'am.
can just follow my YouTube channel also.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
And if you have any question, you can DM me directly. You can message me, and you can message VIT also, so that I can answer your questions. If you have any problem, if you are suffering from depression, anxiety, I am just uh, I have been suffering from a tension because 2 days back I lost one of my sisters. She
Okay.
committed
Oh my
suicide.
God.
So
Okay, ma'am.
yes,
Sorry, ma'am.
and she was not my own sister, but some known person, and she was only 22 years old.
Oh my God. So
It
sorry,
is
ma'am.
very sad, and I am really happy to say something on this suicide World Suicide Prevention Day. Channel name, yes, my channel's name is Team Ashavari. One of my channel's name is Team Ashavari, and the other channel's name is Vocal Training with Anubhuti. So you can type on YouTube as Anubhuti Kakoti Goswami, and you will get all the details. Yes, Kirtana, yes, thank you so much. But yes, we should release our tensions. We should tell someone. Always take the help of your friends, and we have to be happy. We have to move on.
Yes, ma'am.
Tension and
Yes, ma'am.
anxiety is not permanent in our in this world. Nothing is permanent. Happiness is not also
Yes.
permanent. So we have to be grounded. We have to be happy. We have to be positive every time.
Thank you, ma'am. It was a great music therapy for all of us, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I, on behalf of VIT Health Club, would like to thank Anubhuti Gagoti Goswami, ma'am, for taking her time out and giving out the insights of music therapy. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you so much for your kind words, ma'am.
It's a
Okay, ma'am.
pleasure. It's a pleasure, Chitra. Okay.
Thank you so
We'll
much,
see you
ma'am.
soon. I
Yeah,
hope.
ma'am. Take care, ma'am. Take care, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Take care.
Take
Take
care.
care.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. I
Yeah.
thank all attendees also for your active participation. Thank you so much. Bye, ma'am. Take care, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye, ma'am.